Hello everyone. Today, as I was on the internet, I got to discover something. A couple was moving by the street. A guy with a camera comes, and then he asks, "How long have you guys been together?" Then the girl says, 3 years, and we are very proud of that. And then the guy also, are you very okay with the relationship? Yeah, we are very okay. And then the guy says, "Can I test how really this is strong between you guys?" And then the guy says, yeah, we are very okay. Oh, okay. Open can you put a password in your phone and hand it to your girlfriend? And then your girlfriend also hands her phone to you. And then no, that's not possible. Okay, let's go to the second test. And then now let the guy take a photo of both of you and then put a caption, "This is the love of my life." Likewise, the woman should do the same. The woman refused, and it's like, no, that's not possible. And then I got to discover, all we live is fiction. There's no real life anymore. And then it scares me. What is going on? And what kind of children are we giving birth to, And this deception comes right back from the story of Adam and Eve, where the woman convinces the man to take the apple, and then the man has taken the apple, and then deception comes on earth. It came on earth, and then you wonder, how long are we going to keep this? And this is a very problem, keeping us backwards, being untrue to life. Like in Uganda, someone would take a taxi, and then they ask him, if it is a business, they are going for a business meeting, how far have you reached? And then he tells the other one, I'm somewhere. He would lie some other place far away from where he's supposed to mention. And then you find everyone is lying. Everyone is lying. If you are not lying, vulgar language is in place, and you're like, where is this world taking us today? We should pity ourselves. It is really scary. Deception. We are in the times of deception. The end times are now. We should check our hearts. Food for the thought. I'm not looking for numbers. I'm not looking for approval. I'm just giving you, what is the way I think, the way I view things. Good day.